What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add revisions to WooCommerce products into your WordPress website for free into a simple, fast and effective method. So imagine the following scenario. You are editing your products, okay? You are editing the products of your e-commerce, of your store, and you save it some change, but you don't like, you would like to go back, you would like to go to a previous version. There is revisions. However, WooCommerce have the revisions disabled by default to all the products. How to enable this is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us go. Let's get things started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. Normally it's your domain plus WP admin. Enter with your email, username, and password, okay? After, make sure that you have WooCommerce plugin installed and set up and you have products created, okay? This is really important. Then, a good thing to do at this point is go to the tools from the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over it and go to theme file editor. The place where theme file editor may change according to the theme that you are using, if it's a block theme or a classic WordPress theme. If you are using a block theme, it's gonna be right here on tools, theme file editor. If you are using a classic theme, you're gonna be on appearance and you're gonna be able to see theme file editor under appearance menu, okay? Go to theme file editor. Make sure that you don't change much things into this place because it can potentially break your site, okay? If you are not safe doing code additions, raise a site backup to have a way to go back. Review the right side of your screen. We have theme files, we have style CSS. We're gonna click on functions.php. You scroll it down until the very bottom. You're gonna be able to see this right here. You can type enter, go to a new line and place this code. I'm gonna leave this code into the comments section or into the video description. Let me know if I don't do that. Ask me for the code into the comments and you can copy this code right here. All you have to do is this, nothing to worry, simple, right? Hit the update button, and after doing a couple of edits on your products, you're gonna be able to see the revisions happening, okay? So if you want to apply this code before creating the products on your WooCommerce, it's recommended, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you don't have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!